Hey guys, my name is Juan and today we're going to take a look at another show home here in Calgary, Alberta. And this one is currently clocking in at $899,900. Before we go any further, please remember to subscribe. Currently, most of our viewers are not subscribed, so it would really help us out a lot if you subscribe. So please go ahead and do that because we love making these videos. At the end of the video, I'll be giving more information about the home and the neighborhood, so definitely stick around for that. And with that, let's get to the video. Right off the bat, we're greeted by an open concept layout with high ceilings. In the back, we have a large deck leading down to a south-facing backyard and a double detached garage. In case you don't live as far north as this, a south-facing yard generally means you will get tons of sunlight even during the winter months. The chef's kitchen has a large quartz island complemented with a $15,000 appliance package. Upstairs, we have the master bedroom as well as two other bedrooms. The master features a 5-piece ensuite including a soaker tub, heated floors, and a custom walk-in closet. Down in the basement, we have a rec room with built-in media cabinetry, a bar, and at the back, a large bedroom and a 4-piece bathroom. That's it for the virtual tour. Be sure to stick around for more information on the home and the surrounding area. And I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I should mention that this home has already sold and did so within 10 days of being listed. However, if you are interested in this specific home or one similar to it, let me know and it can be built for you. It would also be important to mention that a new custom home of this size in this neighborhood would usually cost at least $1 million or more. However, some of those upgrades that you might see in $1 million home were omitted to keep the price lower. So a bit about the neighborhood. This home is located in the neighborhood of Marda Loop, a popular shopping district here in Calgary. The area features a library, 2 museums, parks, playgrounds, public golf courses, indoor and outdoor skating rinks, 4 pools, tennis courts, and of course a beach volleyball court. We also do a bunch of walking tours, including in the Marda Loop area. It's a whole other channel. I'll leave a link for it down below in the description. And if you go there, you'll find videos of us walking around Calgary and areas that we find interesting. And pretty soon we're gonna do Banff and Lake Louise. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I typically cover immigration information to Canada, as well as show virtual show home tours for homes ranging from between $500,000 up to around $1.5 million. So if you are in the market for a home here in Calgary, let me know and I can connect you with the realtor to find your new dream home or build it. And with that, I hope you guys have a great day and a great life. Take care.